Hello guys, so this is the new Amazon echopop. This device was released on the 31st of May 2023, and this is the new version of the Amazon Echo Dot. So if you have an Amazon Echo Dot, that's the first generation, second generation, or third generation, this is the latest Amazon Echo Dot generation, which is the echopop. So this device, as you can see here, will help me integrate my smart home. As I showed you previously in my other video of my smart home progress, I showed you that I was using the Google Home automation. So now I wanted to add the Amazon Home automation. So I'm going to use the Amazon echopop, the new latest Echo Dot they have released. So guys, let me show you how or what is in the box, and let's integrate it and see how it works with our smart home. So this is the echopop, and this is how the box looks like. So it looks like it got a little bit of damage when they were transporting the product to Ghana here, but it's okay. So let's test. Let's open the seal. Okay, so we have the Echo. We also have the power brick and our manual. So guys, this is what is in the box. We have the Amazon echopop, which looks like an Echo Dot being cut into half, but it's very nice. It has a little bit of flat surface at the bottom, in which can help you to sit on a table, and this is the light that turns on to show you that your echopop is listening to you. So we have the increase volume here, the mute button here, and we have the reduce volume button also here, and we have 3 microphones which will listen to you when you are speaking to your echopop. So we also have the power brick here, a 15.0 watt power brick, in which will help us to make our echopop function. And we also have our manual here. After this, we need to plug in our echopop and also download the Amazon Alexa app and connect our device to it. So guys, this is how the Amazon echopop looks like when being plugged into power. So you can see a blue light going across the indicator area.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Hola, vamos a empezar.
So guys, let's test how our Amazon echopop can fit into our smart home space. So Alexa, turn off light.
Okay.
So as you can see, our Alexa has turned off our light. So let's see whether it can turn it on. Alexa, turn on light.
Okay.
So as you can see, it can also change the light to different colors. Alexa, change light to blue.
Okay.
So our light is now blue because it's daytime. You can't see the blueness of the light like that. Alexa, change light to white.
Okay.
So it's now back to white. So let's see whether our Amazon echopop 2 can turn off our TV and turn it back on, and also whether it can turn on our sound bar and turn it off again. So Alexa, turn off TV.
Okay.
So as you can see, our Amazon echopop has turned off our TV. It can also turn it on. Alexa, turn on TV.
Okay.
So it will turn on the TV. So now the TV is back on. So let's see whether it can also turn off our soundbar and turn it on. So right now our soundbar is on. So let's see whether we can turn it off with our Amazon echopop. So Alexa, turn off soundbar.
Okay.
So you can see I heard a sound from the sound bar, meaning it has turned off the sound bar. Alexa, turn on sound bar.
Okay.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
That's turned on the sound bar again.
The Bluetooth device is connected.
And it has been connected on the TV. So you can do a lot with the Amazon Echo Pop. So let's check another feature that we have on our smart home. So guys, I have a stand light with my TV stand. I have a light at the back in which the Amazon Alexa can also control it. So let's see. Alexa, turn on stand light.
Okay.
So as you can see, it has turned on the stand light. So we can also set it that it can change the colors or the colors of the stand light. So Alexa, change stand light to blue.
Okay.
So you can see it also can change the stand light colors too. So that's all for the Amazon Echo Pop. The Amazon Echo Pop works fine in our smart home system, and I would recommend it to anyone willing to use it because it's very fast. It performs tasks very fast and also has a very great sound. So I think I like Alexa so far. So I have different smart home products that I have available, and some being shipped to me that I've not showed you in this video, but in the next video I'll show you all the smart home products, new smart home products I've added to my smart home.